Hi everyone, this is Manish from IndusHindi.com, and in this video we are going to talk about simple postpositions. So let's begin. Hindi has postposition like English has prepositions. Postpositions and prepositions are the words which express direction, motion, location, association, and some special relationship to the nouns. Here are some examples of English prepositions. For example, on, at, in, for, from, about, with, etc. These are English prepositions. Let's see some examples like these prepositions are used before the noun, right? They positioned before the noun, that's why they called prepositions. For example, at home, in Delhi, from Denmark. Here you see at, in, and from are positioned before the noun, that's why they called preposition. In the same amount, Hindi has postpositions. The position is after the noun, that's why they called postposition. For example, घर पर, दिल्ली में, डेनमार्क से. Here par, may and say are postpositions because they are positioned after the noun, where noun is ghar, Delhi and Denmark. Hindi has 5 simple postpositions: में, से, को, पर, tak. Let's take some examples. दिल्ली में, in Delhi. Spain से, from Spain. सोमवार को, on Monday. मेज पर, on the table. सुबह तक, till the morning. Let's take some example in sentences. The first example is शरबत में नींबू है. There is lime in the lemonade. मैं भारत से हूँ. I'm from India. शाम को बारिश होती है. It rains in the evening. बिल्ली मेज पर है. There is cat on the table. Here, if you see in all these sentences like may, say, ko, and par are postpositions. There are two things you have to keep in mind. Hindi has two types of nouns. One is a ending and rest have not a ending. For example, the word Agra, it has a ending. When a noun is followed by a postposition and if it is a ending, they take oblique case. In this case, Agra will become Agre. So it would be Agre se, from Agra. Agra is a place where Taj Mahal is in India. And the second thing you have to remember is when a pronoun is followed by a postposition, you don't have to write separately like be2 with nouns. So you have to write together. Any pronoun is followed by a postposition, you have to write them together. I hope it's clear and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.